Hey Gaiaverse, if you want to see my dry skin foundation routine, keep watching. Hey Gaiaverse, it's your girl Gaia and I'm back with another video. If you are new here, make sure you subscribe to my channel, and if you are returning, thank you for coming back. Y'all, today I decided to do my foundation routine because I feel like I don't want to keep doing my foundation over and over again, and I literally do this exact same routine every single time, okay? So let's just get into the look. Oh wait, I forgot. On Tuesdays, we do tutorials. I don't know why I wanted to say that, but if you ever want a tutorial, anything makeup related, beauty related, tutorial related, that has to do with beauty, make sure you come back every Tuesday, y'all, because on Tuesday, we do tutorials. Now we can get into the video. I hope y'all like this look. Look at my hair. Halle Berry. More like Chuck Berry. Alright, if I can find that video, I'm gonna put it in this. But starting off with some water and some Vaseline to moisturize my lips. Now we're using my Nivea Cream. Y'all, I got this new palette and I love it. It's like a mirror. It's like a new mirror palette. I don't know why I called it palette. It's a mirror. I'm putting that Nivea Cream on my face and I'm blending it. I'm putting a generous amount because my skin is very, very dry, and I'm working this in, giving myself a nice, beautiful facial. If you have dry skin, you want to make sure you are moisturizing your face and really getting it hydrated for your foundation. Okay, guys, always moisturize. The more the better, maybe. Y'all see that? Hydrated. Now I'm going to take my Danessa Myricks oil. Y'all, I spilled all my oil and I only have a little left, so I'm going to order some right after this. So I'm putting that oil on my face and I'm blending it in, giving it a nice, healthy, just radiant glow. Like, I just love this combination. It's so beautiful, y'all. So beautiful. Now I'm going to brush my eyebrows up in a way because I like to do my whole foundation and then my eyebrows. I'm starting with my Born This Way foundation and a mixing palette. I'm going to take my beauty blender and I'm going to blend this foundation out, and it just gives this seamless, just healthy glow. Like, y'all see the difference? Like, y'all, my skin, it just looks more weightless when you blend it out this way with the palette. Always use a mixing palette, y'all. It is superb. So I wanted to add a little bit more because I needed more coverage. You have to have, y'all, look at this mixing palette. Look at this. It is beautiful, seamless, glowy. It's just beautiful. Like, this is my favorite foundation and just my favorite routine. I noticed my eyes were starting to water. Oh, guys, why is my eyes about to start watering? Anyone who does makeup knows when their eyes are about to start watering. In the middle of this detailed tutorial. So now I'm going to carve out my eyebrows with the Too Faced Born This Way concealer. This shade is Butterscotch. I think my foundation shade is Chestnut. So just in case you're my skin color, you have a reference. So I like to carve out my eyebrows before I do them all in my concealer stuff because it's way better. I'm also going to set my face with powder, so it's just, you guys are going to see this honestly is the best way to do your eyebrows because it creates a dry base opposed to a non-dry base. And this is how I like to highlight. I like to highlight my face like this because I want my face to look a lot more flat. So I try to concentrate the light in the middle of my face. I don't know if that makes any sense, but yeah, that's just how I like to do it. So I don't really contour too much. I'm not big on contour. So I like to let this dry, let the concealer dry a little bit. My eye was watering up a storm. And as you can see, I'm putting a little paper towel in my eye. And I'm going to stop and talk about it after a while because it was really irritating the heck out of me. But you guys will see eventually. So letting it dry, and now I'm gonna blend that out. And look at this, y'all. This foundation and concealer will always be a holy grail. I am sorry to anyone who thinks you can make a foundation and concealer better. Like, until I'm proved wrong, I will be using this, y'all. So let me know what you guys like to use in the comments, because I would like to try new things. I love being proven wrong, but look at the blend out. It's just seamless and beautiful. I love it, and I have nothing else to say, but the proof is in the freaking pudding. So as usual, I'm using my translucent honey from Laura Mercier. Love this powder, like forever a holy grail as well. Like, I'm gonna take this powder, pour some into the top, and this is a trick for my dry skin girls. Always take the powder, dab it, yes, dab, on your arm, boom, 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 get some of that excess off, and then set it. Yeah, Alyssa Ashley taught me this, and yes, do y'all see this? And it just looks way better, and it's just we really don't need too much powder being a girl who is dry, so you really just need enough to just set what is happening. Y'all see my eye is just killing me, so I'm gonna set like underneath my cheekbone, underneath my eye, and on my lid. I noticed that my lid was starting to crease, so I had to kind of blend it out a little bit and then kind of set it. Eventually I went in with a smaller fluffy brush to set my eyes, and I set my eyes and my eyebrows, kind of dragging it up just because I want some of that oiliness to be off my brows once I do my brows. So yeah, so that's what I am doing. Oh, my eyes are killing me, but y'all see me. Y'all see me. I wanted to keep this in the video because y'all need to see. I am not perfect. Like, I struggle too, and everyone struggles. And like I said, I just want to help. I just want to help.
Alright guys, so I want you guys to see what's happening because as you can see, I'm having some problems. So my eyes are watering. So to catch my eyes from watering, a lot of times I have like clients that have watery eyes. Always tell them to put like a little paper towel right there in that crease and kind of clean it out, because a lot of times we really just have watery eyes because we didn't clean our freaking eyes well, or it's just allergy season and our eyes are just watering up. This happens to everyone. I'm gonna keep this in the video because I need you guys to see that nobody's perfect. And I mean, if I add no value to your life, at least you know when your eyes are watering and you have makeup, you gotta put a paper towel in your little eye crease to make sure that, like, you know, it doesn't mess up the whole thing, because it'll keep doing it. Like, so you're gonna have to keep checking on it. So back to the video.
Okay, now I'm going to take my Mehron powder. Now, this shade is more closer to my skin tone. It's a little lighter, but it's closer to my skin tone. I'm going to use that powder to blend out everything else and just create a nice, beautiful base. Y'all see the vibes. Now, I'm going to contour with my Juvias Place bronzer. I don't really contour too much. I really just bronze. So I'm bringing that color back into my face and doing a mini little contour. Like I said, I have strong cheekbones, so I really don't need to do the works. Like, if you have strong cheekbones, Y'all really don't have to contour too hard, you know what I'm saying? So now I'm taking Glowish by Huda Beauty. This is my exact skin color, and I'm gonna kind of like put that in all of the parts of my face that like kind of need it. This is kind of like a bronzer as well. Now I'm taking my NYX blush, y'all. This one, I don't even know if they make this, but it's so nice and has shimmer. And my e.l.f. 24K Gold highlight. I love this highlight. It's just more natural, radiant, and it's not really dramatic, which I like. I feel like it just adds the perfect amount of glow and healthiness. Now I'm taking my Danessa Myricks, and that is the final step. Y'all, this Danessa Myricks Dewy Set Me spray goes off. Now all I'm gonna do is do the rest of my face off camera, and I'm gonna come right back.
Alright guys, so this is the finished look. As you can see, I had a few issues filming this video. A few issues. Like my eye kept watering. Luckily it freaking stopped. It stopped. But yeah, this is basically my foundation routine. It's super simple. I always literally use the same things. Unless I say I'm specifically using something else, I'll probably always do this exact routine. So now when you come back and you watch my videos, you don't have to sit through the entire foundation routine again. Isn't that awesome? I know. And if you want to know how I did my eyebrows, I'm actually going to put that in a separate video, which is kind of pointless because literally it's 5 steps. But I want to show y'all, like literally it takes me 5 steps. Honestly, I should just put it in this video. Should I just put it in this video? Now I gotta think about that. I don't know. I don't know what to do. But I hope you guys liked the video. I will see you guys in the next one. And if you haven't already, subscribe to my channel, turn on your post notifications, and give this video a big thumbs up. Bye guys.